Okay, well let's start about building our actuator. These are the components that I've got to make it. Here we've got a linear bearing, bought off eBay for $5 or $6 a piece. You could actually stick the magnets directly to that, but with my luck the glue would end up in the bearing and it would make it useless. So to avoid that happening and to reuse all the components, it's easier to mount a bit of brass on top. A bit of brass, some stainless steel with some 1/4 inch magnets, a bit of terminal block, 1/4 inch. Magnets fit nicely into that, so that comes in quite handy. A few nuts and bolts, and if you wondered where I get stainless steel from, off a ladle. Bought very cheap for under €1 down here. You can actually cut the handle in half, and that's the material that's on the handle. And of course the ladle itself makes a nice sphere, which I hope to use in another experiment later on. But anyway, those are the bits you need to be going on with. Okay, I would have liked to have tested this on a full-size relay, but these poor little magnets haven't quite got the force. They'll have to be really up close on the Neos. But you can hear the beep as it appears from behind the shield. Turns the thing on. There you go, really. Well, that's the shield. Oh, there. That's the actuator. Hope that's not too close to the camera. And this is not a serious attempt at a motor, but just to give you an idea of what happens. So it's not a serious attempt at a motor, but whether you can get over unity out of this, I don't know, but it's certainly worth thinking about, isn't it? Because it sort of like stops and then gets a kick. Which is quite fun, really. Even if it isn't over unity, it's certainly a nice toy. So there you go. So there's no excuse not to make one. Bye bye.